In this video, we're going to be looking at the Sumo Deadlift. So the Sumo involves a wide stance with the arms between the legs. So it's a true shoulder width grip, which maximizes the length of the arms. Combine that with the wide stance, it's going to shorten the lift. So it's about 10 to 15% shorter than a conventional deadlift. When it comes to the Sumo, we can go nice and wide, feet right out to the plates. However, a lot of people will find that they don't have the adductor flexibility to get into this position, and they just can't produce much force in this wide stance. The conventional stance for a Sumo deadlift is going to be at a width that at the bottom, when we've got hold of the barbell, our knees are directly over our ankles. Now we can perform the Sumo deadlift with the feet forwards, which applies less stress to this front section of the groin. However, in general, people turn the feet out, so they get that external rotation to maximize hip engagement, specifically these adductors here. Another benefit of the Sumo is that it maximizes adductor engagement and quad engagement, whereas the conventional deadlift is more of a hinge, a Sumo position is more of a squat. So let's have a look at a couple of reps. Just like the conventional, stand directly under the barbell with the shins about an inch away. From there, we're going to sit into the lift, sit back with the hips, and grab the barbell. Same as the conventional, 2 movements. We're going to sit back, we're going to drive our chest through. As we do that, nice deep belly full of air, take the slack out of the barbell. And extend at the top. Don't need to shrug, don't need to bend the elbows, high chest, shoulders will fall naturally behind the barbell. You will notice that the hands often rub on the thighs. Hinge it on the way down and reset.